Good morning, Green Lambs. I'm so excited to be here with you today. So today is Thursday, and I thought that we'd start off our day with my last 5 names from our class. And then tomorrow during our Zoom meeting, we can sing everybody's name who's there. So come to our Zoom meeting so we can sing your name. So today we'll start out with Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Who could I be calling? Harrison, Harrison, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Jack, Jack, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Evie, Evie, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Cameron, Cameron, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Jones, Jones, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Well, friends, how is your garden growing today? Have any of your seeds blossomed yet? I started growing some carrots and celery in a dish, and you can try it at home too. I'll send you picture updates on Facebook to let you know how my celery and my carrots are growing in my dish. It'll be so exciting. Let me show you real quick. Here is my carrots and my celery in my dish. Do you think they'll do anything tomorrow and change? That would be super exciting. It could happen. Now, I already told you what day of the week it is, but let's take a look at our calendar today. So, do you guys remember what the name of the month is? Remember it starts with an A, and it says A and this word. Remember it's A-P-I-R-L, A-P-I-R-L. Miss Ann's spelling it wrong. A-P-R-I-L, 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 and April is its name. Oh, sometimes that happens when you get older. You mess up. It's okay to say so. So today, we're all the way down here on the very last day of the month. And remember yesterday I said we were going to count all the numbers. So we're going to count all the way to this number 30 today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gets harder from here. Take a big breath. After 12 comes 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more to go. Here we are at 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We're almost there. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. We're all the way on 30. And remember, if we go all the way up to the top, it says Thursday. And our year, of course, is 2020. Are you ready to repeat after me? Here we go. Repeat after me. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. The end of April. That means that tomorrow we'll have a brand new month. How exciting! Now, friends, go check out your window while I sing our weather song, and we'll see if our weather is the same today. What's the weather like today? Look outside, what do you say? Is it chilly? Is it warm? Is it windy? Will it storm? Go and tell me right away. What's the weather like today? Well, friends, outside of my window, I see a whole lot of water falling from the sky. Is there water falling from the sky by you? Probably. And the wind is blowing today. I hear the wind howl past my house sometimes. It goes, whoo. Is it like that by you too? What is it called when there's water falling from the sky? Rain. That's right. And can I teach you the Spanish word for rain? You can impress Miss Juliana. It's lluvia. Can you say it with me? Lluvia. So I have a song about that. La lluvia, the rain is falling down. It's raining outside today, and friends, I think it's going to do that all day. All right, make sure if you had made a rain gauge or if you have a rain gauge at your house, check that rain gauge because the weatherman told me that we're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches of rain. So those rain gauges should be filling up. Empty it out before tomorrow so we can get an accurate measurement. So we're looking for rain tomorrow. And real quick, first, before I show you our letter cards, let's do our letters. So we have the letter S, S, S. Do you remember which letter makes that sound? S, S, S. That's right. The letter S makes that sound. S is for snake. Can you show me a letter S? Good job. Remember, slither, swish makes an S. S says S. S says S. Every letter makes a sound. S says S. This letter makes 2 sounds. The next letter we have this week, one of them is G. Can you say G? And the other sound is J. Can you say J? Do you know what letter makes those sounds? It's the letter G. If you notice, G is just like C. Around, around, plank. Around, around, plank. And that's our letter G. G says J, and G says J. Every letter makes a sound. G says J. G says G. G says G. Every letter makes a sound. G says G. Now, do you remember how to make that letter G in sign language? It goes just like this. And G is for giraffe. And G is for green. Very good. Now remember, we're studying G this week because G is for garden. Just like you've planted at home with all your seeds. And S is for seed, which you've planted in your garden. So they all fit together. All right, now to that thing that I wanted to show you. In your take-home bags, I sent you 2 sheets that have all sorts of different cards on them. And you'll have to have Mom and Dad help you cut these out. Because what you're going to do is you're going to pick one card. And then you have to name this. What is this? This is a watering can. Watering can. What sound does that start with? W, w, watering can. Do you know what letter makes the letter or the sound W? That's right. It's the W. The W says W. So you're going to take a clothespin, which I sent home, and you can clip it to the W for watering can. Then you pick another card. What's on this picture? It's a flower. Flower. What letter does that sound with? What sound does it make? Flower. That's right, it makes the f sound. What letter down here makes the f sound? I have a W, a G, or an F. Oh, did you hear that? When you say F, it makes the f sound. So F must start flower. So I'm going to take my clip and put it on the F. Now I only gave you 2 clothespins. So after you've done 2 cards, you have to take the clothespin off of one to do the next one. We'll do one more and then you can do the rest yourself. So here is my hose. 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 What sound does that start with? That's right. It starts with the H sound. Hose. Now, which letter does which sound makes the H sound? If I look down here, I have a T, an I, and an H. This one's a little tricky because when you say the letter, it doesn't make the H sound. Do you know what letter starts hose? It's H. So I can clip my H. I hope you guys have fun doing this activity. And there's one more thing that I want you to do if you have time. And I know you're going to have a lot of time today because there's rain outside. I want you to draw me some beautiful flowers. Maybe you want to make a big flower. Maybe you want to make an itty bitty little flower. Maybe you want to make a whole page of flowers. Maybe you want to make 10 pages of flowers. P.S. They're a good thing to save for your mom for Mother's Day. That's coming up soon. So have fun making your flowers and playing your game, and I will see you soon. Bye.